Hi, welcome back to Mr. Slover's Math. Today we're going to switch gears a little bit and start a new unit that doesn't really have a whole lot to do with math, but it is something that is very important to what goes on in your life. So we're starting, today is the first day of digital citizenship, and this unit's about, I want to say 8 days long, or 8 lessons long, and it's just getting familiar with being a good digital citizen. We're going to talk about what that even means. So this first part is just having you explore or research on your own what digital citizenship is, find a definition, different media platform that you use, cyberbullying, has your information been stolen, how many hours do you think you spend on the internet or screen time, things like that. And there's really only two big things that I want to make sure I talk about that you were not supposed to really be researching. And that's what these last two things are. So an active user, so when we talk about being online, there are two types of users. One's an active user and one's passive. An active user is someone that's generally in a good mood. And an active user is someone that's commenting on people's posts, or they're making comments on someone's blog. Whereas a passive user, they tend to typically be in a bad mood. And passive users are people that are just scrolling. They're not actually engaged in whatever the content is. They're just scrolling, looking at things. They're not commenting on anything. So you're going to see me talk about active users and passive users throughout the unit. So I wanted to make sure to address what those two things are now, so you're aware of it. But once again, this first part is all just you researching and answering some questions and getting yourself familiar with what